Welcome back to another episode on the MAURO'S film channel. Today we shall be talking about some new AI retouching features with Retouch4Me. And yes, Retouch4Me is also the sponsor of this video. As you know, I'm shooting a lot of commercials with different time schedules and release dates. And one of the most important things in shooting a commercial is how to manage the time to get the shooting done. And this is why I'm using a lot of plugins and programs to get my photo editing time lower and get the exported versions faster to the client. So as you know, I'm a long-time user of the Retouch4Me plugins palette. And yes, I have already made a video about some great retouching features in my previous video. And the link will be in the description and also popping out right now, so you can understand more about the Retouch4Me portrait volumes, Retouch4Me clean backdrop, and dodge and burn. Well, today we are bringing out a new plugin called Meetifire, and yes, I will combine it with two additional plugins called Heal and Fabric, and we shall make a complete tutorial on how to use them. So let's dive in this new way of AI powered retouching tools. And just to take note, you can use it inside Photoshop in the filter menu settings. We will find all the plugins installed, or actually as a standalone application and do all the edits inside the program. Okay, so what's the fuzz about the Meetifire? The plugin will remove the shine on the face and make one more smooth complete image overall. It automatically spots shiny skin areas on the face and fixes them. The shine and shiny areas are smoothened out in a matter of seconds, giving you a more pleasant overall look. So just like in these portraits that I took. And you are able to choose the blend amount from 0 to 100. And if you want to fine tune it, you are also able to use the brush and eraser tool to select the parts to be mattified. On the lower part, you are able to select the type of portrait. I leave it in auto for most of the times, it makes a great job. Well, let's have some Meetifire done. That's it, in just a couple of seconds your photos are mattified. Let's get to another great plugin that I'm using all the time. It's called Fabric. And what does this actually do? It automatically detects clothing in the photo and smoothes out creases and wrinkles. Retouch4Me Fabric will help you iron the clothes after shooting. And yes, it also works in multiple group photos. You will be also able to blend it up to 200% with the same controls as other plugins. All the clothes will be smoothened out in a matter of seconds. It works in different environments and even in multiple different dark scenarios. It will be able to iron the clothes without any problems. That's it. Iron them in a couple of seconds. There's no final export to the client if you don't clean that tiny spots and skin imperfections from your portraits. And that's why I'm using another plugin called Heal. You will be able to heal the skin and give you a natural texture, making your retouching look professional. All the skin imperfections and spots will be smoothened out. With the inverted mask, we can also check the affected areas where the heal happens. So in a couple of seconds you will be able to heal any skin imperfections. There goes a complete professional retouching done in a couple of seconds. In the first link in the description you'll get my special discount of 20% off on all the products that you select on the Retouch4Me page. Don't miss this opportunity. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer to all of them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.